Innovative, foldable, sustainable. That is what defines us. Because for us, sustainability isn't a buzzword, it's part of our DNA.
Our entire value chain is based on the circular concept. Our primary goal is reuse. Therefore, we create durable, reusable load carriers that can withstand countless cycles in daily logistics. Additionally, with our own tool manufacturing department, we can quickly implement your individual requirements.
Most of our products can be reduced in volume to save resources when empty and thus also reduce costs. They replace numerous single-use packages and are thus a central component of our circular economy strategy. Our containers are 100% recyclable. We take back all defective containers at the end of their long product life and send them for recycling. In addition to virgin material, we are increasingly using recyclate. Recycled plastic currently accounts for about 40% of our material usage. In 13 silos, we store up to 1,800 tons of material, dry, protected, and available at all times. Fully automated, conveying via pipe systems to the machine prevents material spillage into the environment. As an injection molding manufacturer, energy plays a key role. That's why we place great importance on energy efficiency in machines and the use of renewable energies. Our fleet consists mainly of hybrid vehicles and fully electric models. These are charged with green electricity from our own photovoltaic system.
For sustainability to be lived in the company, it requires the support of all employees. We strive for an open and respectful working environment. To achieve this, we value a corporate culture in which diversity and solidarity are embraced.
Walter. Innovative, foldable, sustainable.